Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So this is the second part of this topic boisson. Okay. So in this video I will teach you about the alcoholic drinks in French. Okay. So here we go. Les boissons alcoolisées. Les boissons alcoolisées, which means alcoholic drinks. First is l'alcool. Okay. L'alcool, which means alcohol. Okay. After that, la bière. La bière. Okay, which means beer. La bière. After that, la vin. Le vin. Okay, which is wine. Le vin. Now next is le champagne. Le champagne. Okay, which is champagne. Le champagne. After that, le vin rouge. Le vin rouge, which is red wine. Okay, le vin rouge. After that, le vin rosé. Le vin rosé, which means rose wine. Le vin blanc. Le vin blanc, which means white wine. Okay. After that, le kir. Le kir. This is a popular French beverage and this is made from blackcurrant and white wine. Okay, le kir. After that, le whisky. Le whisky, which is also called in English is whiskey. Okay. After that, a cocktail. A cocktail. This is cocktail. Okay. And the last one is le digestif. Le digestif, which means after dinner drink. Okay. This is a drink which has taken after the dinner. Okay. So repeat after me. Répétez après moi. First is l'alcool, le vin rouge, le vin blanc, le vin rosé, le champagne, le whisky, un cocktail, le kir, la bière, and the last is le digestif. Okay, so these are the alcoholic drinks and you have also learned it and you should practice it with pronunciation and spelling. And if you want to know more about this, you can comment me in the comment section, and please subscribe, like and share this video more and more with your friends and with people who want to learn French. So I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care and au revoir.